right, so I am Yeshi, and this is Kevin here. Our Stackathon project is on augmented reality, and then I'm going to walk you through over the examples that we've done so far. All right. So this is where we did a little example on the image recognition on the Tesla Model 3 demo. So this is going to run and just Viro Media, and then the test bed loads up the bundle, and well, let me skip this. Okay, there you go, video. And then there's the logo of the Tesla model. If you like scan on it, just the model pops up. And if you click on the car, you have the option to change the color of the Tesla model right there. So these are the examples that we did, and this is another one where we did the portal stuff as well. So, you know, if you want to take a vacation, you don't have to take a flight anymore with our app. So these are the stubs, and then this is also one of the stubs that we did today, where we wanted to try out to get the dice out of the Tesla model. And then Kevin is going to talk about the challenges that we faced during this whole process here.
So go back.
All right.
So yeah, pretty much what we wanted to do with the augmented reality was make it so you could like step into some different environment, and then you could, I guess, play a tabletop game of some sorts. So the idea was to have like knights and treasure chests pop out of images, but we couldn't get it to work properly. That's why we used a Tesla image, and we had other images that the camera wasn't able to scan for some reason. And then also our models, based on the lighting and how you have to convert like the FBX, which is like a 3D model from online, and convert it to VRXs, which is what Viro Media uses for 3D models. So they didn't render properly, so you just get like these gray meshes, and it's very frustrating to work with. But then we just got it to work with at least that one dice. But the idea is to do that for multiple objects, and then have a portal that leads to some different setting that people could have an augmented reality experience in. And that's our Stackathon.
All right, thank you.